You haven't filed U.S. taxes in years, and now you're worried the IRS might catch up with you. Here's the truth. There's a legal way to fix it and avoid massive penalties, but you must act before the IRS contacts you. I'm Anthony N. Verni. I'm a U.S. tax attorney, certified public accountant, and MBA with over 25 years of experience. I help Americans living abroad resolve complex tax issues like unfiled tax returns, FBAR violations, and IRS enforcement. If you're a U.S. expat or dual citizen and you haven't filed in a while, this is the video you need to watch to the end. Let's talk about the IRS Streamlined Filing Compliance Program. This is an IRS-approved solution for taxpayers who have failed to file required returns or FBARs but did so non-willfully. That means you didn't file because you didn't know you had to, not because you were trying to avoid taxes. If you qualify, you can get compliant without facing penalties. To be eligible, you must meet 4 main criteria. First, you must reside outside the United States for at least 330 days in one of the last 3 years. Second, you must have failed to file because of non-willful reasons. Third, you must not have been contacted by the IRS or under examination. Fourth, you must certify that your failure was non-willful using IRS Form 1.653. Here's what you need to submit. You'll need to file 3 years of back tax returns. That includes Form 1040 and any necessary foreign forms like 2555 or 1116. Then you'll need to file 6 years of FBARs using FinCEN Form 114. These are filed separately online. Finally, you'll submit Form 14653 where you explain under penalty of perjury that your failure to file was non-willful. That last piece is critical. Your explanation must be clear, truthful, and properly written. Why does this matter? Because if you wait and the IRS contacts you first, you're no longer eligible. FBAR penalties can be severe. Even non-willful violations can cost $10,000 per account per year. If they think it was willful, the penalties jump to $100,000 or 50% of your account balance. Streamlined filing is often the best solution for Americans abroad who made honest mistakes. For example, I helped a U.S. citizen living in Switzerland who hadn't filed in 8 years. We used the Streamlined program. He avoided over $90,000 in FBAR penalties and ended up owing just a few $100s in tax. If this sounds like your situation, or if you're unsure where to start, tap the link in bio to book a confidential consultation. I'll help you fix it before the IRS comes to you.